for my next video, I'd like to do one on the Galaxy Samsung S26 Ultra is the phone I'm using, but this can be done on any phones with the Gallery app. So I want to do one on the Gallery app and the different types of files, okay? And what do I mean by that? It sorts them all just by a tap of a button. So let's go ahead and dig right in, as I like to say. So let's go to our gallery and then go into the main page, and the bottom right, you'll see menu, and then the right shot types. So go ahead and hit that. So now we have all the things at our fingertips. We have videos, some of these are blocked out, selfie, scans, GIFs, portraits, and motion photos. So they're all right there. They're all, you can go right in and say you did a video or you did a selfie or whatever. You can tap that particular category of shot type and it'll go right into it. Now, I'm not sure if this is a new feature to the Samsung S26 Ultra and or the One UI 8.5. So maybe give me a holler, tell me it's just a One UI 8.5. But I just found this. I don't remember it being there before, so it's very possible it's just for One UI 8.5. But it's a very nice feature to have, that you can just go to your menu. Oops, we don't want studio. Back up, back up. We can go to menu, shot types, and there they are again. So very handy to go to your GIFs or selfies or videos or whatever. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.